Torbjørn C. Pedersen, a 44-year-old Danish man, has become the first person to visit every country in the world without flying. Pedersen started his journey in October 2013 and visited his 203rd and final country, the Maldives, in May 2023. Torbjørn C. Pedersen, Danish man in Maldives opens in a new window. Pedersen traveled by car, bus, train, boat, and even on foot. He said that his journey was intense and demanding, but also rewarding. He estimates that he saved over 200 tons of CO2 by not flying. Pedersen's journey was not without its challenges. He had to deal with visa issues, language barriers, and even the occasional natural disaster. But he persevered, and his story is an inspiration to anyone who has ever dreamed of traveling the world. "I wanted to show that it is possible to travel the world without flying," Pedersen said. "I also wanted to raise awareness of the environmental impact of flying." Pedersen's journey has been documented on his blog, Once Upon a Saga. He has also written a book about his experiences, titled The Flightless Traveler. Pedersen's story is a reminder that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. He is an inspiration to us all. And his journey shows us that there are many ways to see the world. Pedersen's tips for traveling without flying. Start by planning your route. This will help you to identify the countries that are accessible by land or sea. Be flexible with your travel plans. Things don't always go according to plan, so be prepared to adjust your itinerary as needed. Do your research. Before you travel to a new country, make sure to learn about the visa requirements, language barriers, and transportation options. Traveling without flying can take longer, so be patient and enjoy the journey. Pedersen's journey has inspired others to travel the world without flying. He has also raised awareness of the environmental impact of flying. Pedersen's story is a reminder that we can all make a difference by choosing to travel more sustainably.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing.